Hello, friends. If you'll see the traditional literature review processes, it was time-consuming, ear-prone, and often misses lots of important studies. So, AI-based literature search tools now signify the process by enabling the fast researchers, smart summarizations, and as well as the citation management. And also, it gives you the trend analysis. So that's why today we are going to talk about the five important AI tools for the literature review, which every researcher should understand. Hello everyone. This is Dr. Pranav Kumar Prabhakar, professor at Nagaland University, and today I am going to share the five important tools for literature review. So first, we will see what are the drawbacks of the traditional literature review processes. Drawbacks of the manual processes before AI tools. Researchers rely entirely on the manual methods for literature review, which has number of limitations. The first limitation was the time consuming and the tradition. Searching for relevant papers, reading through dozens of or hundreds of the full text, and extracting the key points took a lot of time. So it was roughly months, weeks. Second important drawback was the incomplete coverage. Due to human limitations, researchers often misses the important studies, especially those which is outside the immediate area or the less visible journals. Then keyword dependency, because traditional database searches strictly based on the keywords, and it causing the relevant studies to be overlooked if different terminology was used. And then cognitive overloads, manually comparing, summarizing, and synthesizing large volumes of the literature lead to the mental fatigueness and the reduced efficiency. Difficult in the trend analysis. Tracking publication trends, citation networks, or the research gaps requires manual mapping, which was inefficient and the error prone. Error was too much of it. And last one was the reference errors. So managing citations manually leads to the duplication entries, incorrect formats, and the missing references, especially in the large volumes. So that's why, because of these limitations, so we should go ahead with the AI-based tools. AI tools normally transform the way of literature review and are conducted several most of the above challenges. So whatever challenges we had earlier, so those challenges can be overcome by these processes. So the first important benefits is rapid searches and retrievals. All the AI-powered search engines or search tools scans millions of papers instantly and brings the most relevant literatures to the surface using the semantic understanding, not just the keywords. Then it can AI identify the related topics, synonyms, interdisciplinary links, ensuring broader and more complete literature inclusions. It also there are a number of tools like Semantic Scholar, which we will talk today, and Illicit. Auto generate the summaries of papers, helping researchers quickly grasp the methods, results, and conclusions. There are a number of tools we are having, like Connected Papers, Research Rabbits, which shows the network of related studies, helping scholars to see the trends, gaps, and clusters. Then we are having efficient organization and reference management. AI generate with citations tools to auto tags, sorts, and format referencing. So all the human-based errors or human errors, and as well as it is going to save the times. And last one would be plagiarism with the writing supports. So AI-based writing assistants help with the paraphrasing, plagiarism checks, and language refining. So especially useful for the non-native English speakers also. So normally these whatever tools we are going to talk about, so the five tools I will talk about today, these tools are selected for you on the basis of the basically two criteria. First, either they are completely free or maximum features are the freely available, and second is they don't overlap each other with the features. So if you are using these tools, roughly you can cover 85 to 90% of the AI based features which already available. So the first tools which we are having today. So the first tool which we are going to talk about today is the Semantic Scholars. The website for Semantic Scholar is the http dot semicolon dot semanticscholar.org, and this is the website which is the for Semantic Scholars. One of the most important features of the Semantic Scholar is roughly 200 million papers are there, so it gives us the information from the 200 more than 200 million papers, and you can log in on the website. You can create your account and you can log in. There are some of the specific features that it is AI powered search engine. It is provided by the LL Institute for AI. Website already I've told you. The some of the key features for this Semantic Scholar is it is AI ranked search results which prioritize the influential papers over the simple keyword matches. We will see some of the things. Then TLDR summary, auto generated short summaries for almost all the papers. I have already told you, which normally saves our times. It also gives us a citation with the context, so how papers were cited, supportive or contrasting with each other. Then it gives us recommended papers, or whenever I'm going to search certain things, it gives us the recommended papers also based on the whatever are we read or whatever we search it. And then author disambiguations, it helps to distinguish between the authors with the similar names, so you can sort on the basis of different features, and this is best for all researchers, especially those with AI comparison and citation insights. So there are three important features for this Semantic Scholar is it saves, you can once you will create your account, like I have created my account, you can save papers in your library that have been instrumental for your work. So whenever you want, you can access those papers. Stay up to date with the most relevant papers via your AI powered search tools, and return often to see the snapshot of the what new in your research dashboards. So these are the three important features. Then once you are going to create your account, you will have a library. Every account is associated with the library, and those library you can whatever you have searched, so you save search results can be saved in those library, and whenever you want you can access those research. Like this is this, I have searched some of the features. Two important things which Semantic Scholar provides us, that you can use different type of filters. Like you can use field of study, you can use the date ranges, you can increase the date ranges, you can decrease the date ranges. Then you can select papers which are only completely PDF is available or not available. Then you can select particular authors also. You can exclude certain authors if you don't want certain authors. If you want, you can include it. And you can sort on the filter, use filter on the basis of journal or conferences also. Plus you can arrange your search result on the basis of different criteria. There are four criteria, like recency, most influential paper, citation count, and relevancy. So you can use different way of these search tools. Then whatever paper you have select search result can be like here. You can see the save button. If you click on the save button, it will ask you can create n number of folders, and in a specific folder search result can be saved, and whenever you want you can use it. So second important tools which we are having is consensus. So consensus, roughly it is the AI powered academic search engines, and it also have roughly 200 million paper. It is supported by the Semantic Scholar only, and this consensus have one important feature is you can search here rather than keyword search, which normally Google Scholar we do the keyword based search, or traditionally we use to search keyword based. So here you can rather than keywords based searches, you can ask questions to the consensus, like ChatGPT we can ask, and then it gives you the evidence based results, and that directly from the peer review papers, not from the blogs, or not from the opinions, commentary perspective. And you will see a consensus once you are going to search certain things. Again here you can create your account and you can save the research results. So some of the features of the consensus is like it answers research questions using the peer review sources only. So it does not gives you information from the blogs or certain other things. Only the research articles, review articles, or the peer reviewed papers only you will get the informations. It highlights directly conclusions from the scientific papers. It is filtered by different type of RCT meta-analysis. So I will show you the things also. And display sources, the metadata like journals, authors, date. Avoid clickbait or the blog content. No ads on the relevant searches. And roughly all researchers, especially those who wants to see the results and the citation insights, can use these tools. So this is the page. Once you can create your account, again you will have the different tabs for you. Like I have searched certain things, and those search results comes here. So you can search whatever questions you are having, and according to that one you will get the results. So the first important thing is, for every searches it gives you the consensus meter, and then after consensus meter, like here it gives you, like I have asked question, does regular exercise reduces physiological marker of the mental stress? So 93 percent paper says whatever results they have got it, so they say that yes, it reduces. And then other questions also, like possibly 7%, mixed 0%. So this is called consensus meter. So for every questions you will get a consensus meter. After consensus meter, it gives you the pro analysis of your paper, and then it going to categorize your papers on different criteria, like meta analysis, and then observational studies, very rigorous papers, highly cited papers. So different kind of categorizations consensus do. As one of the important thing is, ask the paper. So whatever paper you are going to select it from, on that particular paper, you can ask certain questions to consensus, and consensus will give you the answer according to that particular paper. And third, after this one, third important feature, tools which I suggest is Research Rabbit. Again, this is AI based tools, and Research Rabbit, again you need to sign in, then only you can search it. So you have two options here. It is the visual literature. It is visually literature mapping tools. So it will, you can visualize it. One of the important feature is Spotify the papers like a discovery engines. Research Rabbit visualizes how papers are connected to each other. So depend author, how authors are connected, how papers are related to each other papers. It is graph based network visualizations. I will show you the graphs also. So how papers are connected through the citations, co-authorship, or the thematic clusters. So you don't have to segregate papers onto the different clusters. Automatically it will do it. Track authors contribution, follow researchers, and see how their works are progresses. And collection management. So you have two options. Once you are going to log in there, either you can search certain key questions, yeah, certain things, like you do searches, or you can upload 2-3 paper, uh, and then you can see the magic. So you can see search papers titles. You can search it on the DOI based on, you can submit PubMed or keyword based. It normally uses two different tools for the searches. Either it uses the PubMed for biomedical and literature searches. For other searches, it's normally use Semantic Scholar. So once you are going to search certain things, you will get this type of results, and that results, either you upload the paper or you search a certain things. When you search certain questions, certain keyword based things, then you can add those things into your collections. So a few papers you need to collect it, and then you can see these are the different things you can visualize it. So here the most important thing which I like is, you will see the dynamic connections. This is the connections. You can zoom out and filter, fill in. So this is dynamic connections mapping correlation of the papers, how papers are associated. It looks like the family tree of a paper. So this is the third important tool which I suggested. And the fourth one is the SciSpace. Like consensus, it also answers the questions like ChatGPT. Or it can ask you the question. You can either you can ask questions, so it will give you the answer, or you can chat with the PDF, like I'll show you. This is all in one research assistant tool. One of the most important, you can call it the feature, one place you can get almost all the features. So AI Copilot explains complex scientific terms and the sections instantly. Building AI powered PDF readers with question answering. Searches across millions of papers through trusted databases, organized notes, highlights, support LaTeX, maths, and scientific figures incorporations, Chrome extensions, and almost best for the early career researchers. So if you'll see the some of the important tools which SciSpace provides is, you can chat with the PDF. You can upload a PDF and you can ask almost all the questions about that particular PDF. Plus, it also help us. SciSpace can help us in the writing process. Then, for researchers, for literature search, find topics, extract data like AI detections, citation generation, or paraphrasing. So, number of tools at one platform it provides you. So you can upload your papers from your library. Once you will logged in, you can do one another thing also. If you are having few papers, for 10 papers, 15 papers, 20 papers, upload all your papers from your library, from your reference manager, to this space, and ask questions from those uploaded papers. So you, whatever questions you will ask you, so it will refine those questions from your papers, and it will give you the answer. So it helps early career researchers into the methodology and development, then testing methods. uh, this is space, and the last one is the Perplexity. uh, Perplexity is one of the most versatile AI tools, or AI, you can call it literature search tools. It is similar to ChatGPT, but it also includes the sources. Means it will give you the references from where those informations has been gathered. So it is AI-powered chat which provides real-time answers with live citations, combine academic sources with web content and verified data, focuses more narrow research, and provides sources link online for the transparency and multimodal supports. And for explanatory researchers, generation academic quick referencing and reliable source management. So this in the last person can use, but it can be used in the early days also. Early, I mean, when you are going to start your research, it can be used in the middle phase of the research, and it can be used in the last phase of the research also. So it is similar to ChatGPT, but with reference inclusion. So these are the things. One important feature this Perplexity is having, that whenever you are going to search it, you can use click on this button, and you can use from where, so which sources you want information. Like for literature search for the scientific processes, just switch off all the tools except this academic, so it will give you information only from the academic sources or the literature searches from scientific literatures. So that tools normally I use. So and once you will get it, whatever researches you do it, you can see here the sources result will be there. Once you will click those sources, ultimately the list of all these sources will be available to you. So this is all the 5 tools which I suggested to you. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. If you like the video, press the like button. If you not subscribe my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.